How to get iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for developer Apple and further tap on the beta.apple.com link you see there. Further, you will be required to sign in to your Apple account. So tap on the sign in button and further enter your login credentials for your Apple account and log yourself in. Once signed in, you will be required to agree to the terms and conditions, so tap on the agree button you see there. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, navigate to the Get Started tab and further tap on the Enroll your iOS device option you see there, and you will then see the option for Open Beta Updates. So tap on the Open Beta Updates option you see there and you will be led to your software update page. Here, go ahead and tap on the Beta Updates option and you will see the iOS 26 update. So simply tap on the iOS 26 update button and further go ahead and update your device further. And with this, you will get iOS 26 on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.